Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are making the pumpkin spice latte. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell and turn on notifications. You're gonna need a glass. I'd suggest like a 20-ounce glass of sort. Put the ice in. And then we add the 2 shots of espresso. Now we get the pumpkin spice sauce. You can buy this online. It's tastes pretty similar to the one that you get at Starbucks, the pumpkin spice latte. Now I would put about 2 pumps, 2 to 3 pumps, because the first pump might have little bubbles in it. And then we top it off with well, not all the milk until it's full. And then we get a little stirring device and we stir it all up. And there you got it. A pumpkin spice latte. You can also put whipped cream on top and a little pumpkin spice, or you can just leave it as is with no whipped cream. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe. See you next time.